Welcome back from lunch. Everybody enjoy it? Everybody enjoy San Diego's weather? Sorry, making sure this works. Lord only knows what happens when you come back from lunch. All right, so again, apologize for Wi-Fi issues. Does anybody know who, is anybody familiar with Ansible? Ansible community, Jeff Geerling? He does a lot of Ansible playbooks. He actually works as a contractor for Red Hat now. Yeah. So I pinged him during lunch, and I was like, hey, man, do you have anything for Kubernetes dev environment set up? He's like, I got a few things. I was like, you know what would be awesome? If I could get that running on a local box, like on anything's Wi-Fi. And he's like, see what I can do. So we're going to work on this. We're going to make it better. Did everybody get these images? If not, sorry. We're going to kind of like push forward at this point so that we can get through everything. So it's better to have the information in your mind, and we will get the slides back out to you and make sure that when you're back at your home station and on Wi-Fi that works, you can get this working again. All right. So how to talk to the Kubernetes community about or with automation. If you noticed this morning, Gwen pointed out the labels. These are critical pieces for the automation in the Kubernetes community. What they do is they kick off CI processes. Excuse me. So if you look at those labels particularly, approved, that's what you're going for, right? LGTMs, that's what you prefer. But if you see that CNCF CLA no, that means you did not sign the contributor license agreement. Also, if you see things like needs rebase, you have to rebase the branch for changes that have come in since you have done your PR. So also size and SIG are here as well. So if you see something like an extra small good first issue, that would be awesome for anybody in this room to grab initially and work on as like their first project. So Kate CI Robot pretty much does everything, right? Like when you get added to the org, someone comes in and sponsors you, and then somebody comes in and says, I approve. If they're in the owner's file as an approver, Kate CI Bot actually runs, and that's what actually puts the commits away. I'm sorry, commits the PRs. So they're all friends of yours. You got to catch all the labels at some point. But there's a few required ones, I believe. We're going to go with, on creation, you need the SIG and the kind. So if you noticed the bot, KCI robot here, the bot commands are right there. It's always there to help. So you can always, right there in GitHub, hit /help and KCI robots there. So add a SIG, like SIG scalability, and the kind of issue that it is. Is it a bug? Is it feature request? So forth, so on. And, all right, so so like here's a label on the left. On the left-hand side, you see labels as they are applied, and on the right-hand side, you see the command to apply them. So if you want to apply sig auth, you do /sig space auth. Sig node /sig space node. As you can see here, Gwen did a sig /contributor experience, last year sometime or 2 years ago sometime, and that's just how she applied the label. The kind labels, we got bugs, features, documentation, design, failing test, flake, cleanup. So kind, example usage /kind feature. Everybody understand kind of how to use KCI robot and apply labels at this point? Priority. So priority critical urgent is not something that like you need to assign, right? Like that is actually not up to users to assign. This is up to the SIGs or the work groups, whatever, organizational units in charge of the project or sub-project. So if you are somebody that can apply this label as, a reviewer potentially, or somebody that can, efficiently triage priorities, you can apply this, but in general, this is assigned by someone else. All right, so area is often the name of a SIG or subproject. It's not a requirement, it's just another kind of label you can apply. Triage, if you're on a triage team for a SIG, these are going to be handy things, right? Like you're going to look at incoming issues, apply some tags to it, and that will trigger more CI within your SIGs, or someone can come along and actually work on it, or it gives feedback to whoever opened the issue to say, like, hey, I can't reproduce this, or hey, this is actually a support issue potentially.